Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add custom HTML code to your Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, from your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is go into Online Store and go to the themes page, which you will be at by default once you click on Online Store. Then go to your currently selected theme, click the three dots, and go on to Edit Code. From here, you'll get to this menu over here, and you're going to want to go into Sections, and then click Add a New Sections, and then select Liquid, and name the file custom-html. Then click Done, and it's going to open up that new section just like this. And you're going to want to copy this code over here. This is a online guide that I have found. It's literally just called How to Create a Custom HTML Section. And you're going to want to copy this code over here, and you're going to copy that into this file over here and click Save, and then that's going to save the changes and save the section. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go back into your theme page and go to Customize on your theme. Then you're going to want to add a new section right over here, right under Template. Just click Add Section, and then you can add a custom liquid or custom HTML. Just click Custom HTML, and now once you add that section, double click it, and now you can edit it and actually make a HTML page over here, or custom HTML. Whoops, I accidentally deleted it or just deselected it. And yeah, you can now edit this. But yeah, whoops, you can edit this through entering your HTML code over here, and also add the title over here if you want to. And you can also add custom CSS or cascading style sheets, which will, modify the look of your HTML code. But yeah, in essence, that is pretty much all you need to do. You can also do the same under the header. You can add the section, or under the footer, you can add the section there. You pretty much just add the section wherever on your page that you want, and you can, select whichever page you would like to add the HTML to. And yeah, that is pretty much how you add custom HTML. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video. And yeah, by the way, before I end, just click Save, so that you can save your changes once you add the HTML. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.